finished entering the transaction information for Carmen Perez based on the encounter sheet given to us by the provider for date of service December 15th, and we're ready to actually start printing her forms. First thing you're going to do is print her walkout receipt for Carmen. She did make a payment, and of course you wouldn't print a walkout receipt if someone did not make a payment. But she did pay us with a check, so you're going to go down here to print receipt. It prompts you to save your transaction, do so. Make sure the top receipt is highlighted. That's the default, should be. Hit OK and preview it on the screen. Okay, specific to Medisoft, you have to enter in the date of service twice, the date actually that the payment was made. So we're going to actually have to go back to December 15th, the date she made her payment, and we're going to do that twice. Otherwise, it will print receipts from that date forward. Okay, click on OK, and there you have it. Before you actually take your print screen to submit in the Dropbox, go up here to the top left-hand corner and zoom to fit full page. Click on that, take your print screen, save it as a Word document, and upload that into the Dropbox. Okay, now we're ready to begin printing the claim. Now, this software, you can submit claims electronically, but of course we have nowhere to send them, so we're going to actually generate a paper claim so I'll have something to grade. Click on Print Claim, and you'll have all different sorts of different claim forms entered in here. We want you to scroll down to the Laser CMS claim forms, primary. We're not going to do secondary in this class. So you're basically just going to use one of the two top laser forms. And as you'll notice, it has with form. That means the lines on the CMS 1500 will be printed. If you do not click one of those two, you will get points marked off. So be sure you use one of these two forms. This patient has Cigna. She does not have Medicare, so we'll click on that second one. Click OK. Preview that on the screen. Okay, and again, specific to Medisoft, with this particular entry, you have to enter her chart number twice, which of course is just the first three letters of her last name. Click on it, just like you did when you found her when you were entering the transaction. Do it again, otherwise you're going to print from Carmen Perez all the way to the last person whose name begins with a Z. So you don't want to do that. So enter it twice, so we just have one claim on the screen. Click OK, and your claim should pop up. Once again, I want you to go up here to the top left-hand corner of your screen and zoom to fit full page. Your claim should look something like that. What I want you to note here is in the linkage, we actually, as we did when we entered the charges, we have the office visit linked to the asthma, and then of course the venipuncture is linked to the rash on her leg. So I just want to point that out. Be sure and save this as a screen print and as a Word document and upload that into the assignment Dropbox as well. Now you'll see if when you get out of there it says one claim has been created. So let's say you chose the wrong form or something wasn't quite right. You had to go back in there and make some corrections. If you try to print it again, you're going to get an error and telling you that this claim has already been generated. So in this case, you have to actually go back up to the Activities tab, Claim Management, and find your claim. Now this is Carmen Perez, so you're going to have to kind of check to see, what looks similar to the claim you're looking for. Click on Carmen Perez and click on Reprint Claim. Same steps now. You're just going to find that laser form, click on it, OK. Preview the report. Just hit yes to any prompts that you don't understand. Just hit yes. Preview it on the screen, and your claim once again should be popping up shortly. Actually, I think we have to enter those. No, we don't. So it pops up, zoom to fit full page, and there you have it. That's it for entering transactions and getting your claims printed to submit for grading, and that's really all you have to do.